Authority has issued required monthly test for the following counties or areas. New Jersey, at 12:50 a.m. on April 18, 2023, effective until 2:50 a.m. The New Jersey Office of Emergency Management is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you have just heard would have been followed by official information or instructions. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
I don't know, they come over and they're like, Grandma's treadmill's so fun! Why doesn't it move, Grandma? Well, because Grandma...
Auntie, I'm gonna have a romantic vow.
Information or instructions. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system. The civil authority has issued required monthly test for the following counties or areas. New Jersey, at 12:50 a.m. on April 18, 2023, effective until 2:50 a.m. The New Jersey Office of Emergency Management is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you have just heard would have been followed by official information or instructions. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
In all forms of roofing, gutters, and siding. We also specialize in slate roof repair, preserving historical buildings. Jacob E. Allen will give your home the curb appeal it needs. Free estimates and 0% down financing available. Mention this ad when you call and receive $500 off all projects of $5,000 or more. Call today, 610-759-1840. That's 610-759-1840, or visit jacobeallenroofing.com. Jacob E. Allen and his team pays close attention to customer service and providing the highest quality at a reasonable price.
The juggle, the fullness and complexity of